The genetic sex of a baby is determined by A. Mother B. Father C. Both equally D. Placenta. The correct answer is B. Father. The outer layer of the blastocyst is called A. Inner cell mass B. Trophoblast C. Morula D. Chorion. The correct answer B. Trophoblast. Which contraceptive device is inserted into the uterus? A. Condom B. Copper T. IUD. C. Pills D. Implant. The correct answer B. Copper T. Human reproduction is a process of A. Growth B. Respiration C. Producing offspring D. Excretion. The correct answer C. Producing offspring. Humans reproduce by A. Asexual reproduction B. Sexual reproduction C. Budding D. Binary fission. The correct answer B. Sexual reproduction. Human reproduction helps in A. Digestion B. Respiration C. Continuity of species D. Excretion. The correct answer C. Continuity. Humans are A. Oviparous B. Viviparous C. Ovoviviparous D. Asexual. The correct answer B. Viviparous. Fertilization in humans is A. External B. Internal C. Both D. None. The correct answer B. Internal. The male gamete is called A. Ovum B. Sperm C. Zygote D. Embryo. The correct answer B. Sperm. The female gamete is called A. Ovum B. Sperm C. Blastocyst D. Morula. The correct answer A. Ovum. Fusion of male and female gametes is called A. Implantation B. Fertilization C. Ovulation D. Menstruation. The correct answer B. Fertilization. The product of fertilization is A. Morula B. Blastocyst C. Zygote D. Embryo. The correct answer C. Zygote. Human reproduction involves A. One parent B. Two parents C. Three parents D. No parents. The correct answer B. Two parents. Human reproductive organs become functional at A. Birth B. Puberty C. Old age D. Infancy. The correct answer B. Puberty. The beginning of the reproductive phase in females is called A. Menopause B. Menarche C. Pregnancy D. Ovulation. The correct answer B. Menarche. The end of the reproductive phase in females is called A. Menarche B. Menopause C. Fertilization D. Gestation. The correct answer B. Menopause. Puberty is controlled mainly by A. Enzymes B. Hormones C. Vitamins D. Minerals. The correct answer B. Hormone. Humans are A. Dioecious, unisexual B. Hermaphrodite C. Asexual D. Monoecious. The correct answer a dioecious, unisexual. Which is not a reproductive event? A. Gametogenesis B. Fertilization C. Photosynthesis D. Parturition. The correct answer C. Photosynthesis. Human reproduction is necessary for A. Individual survival B. Species survival C. Digestion D. Respiration. The correct answer B. Species survival. Which event occurs after fertilization? A. Implantation B. Gametogenesis C. Ovulation D. Menstruation. The correct answer A. Implantation. Reproductive phase starts after A. Infancy B. Childhood C. Puberty D. Old age. The correct answer C. Puberty.